Buckle up, wear your helmet, drive safely. How often have you heard us all talk about it across our channels? Even consumers are taking an active interest in this topic. Obviously, manufacturers are going the extra mile to deliver safe, crash-absorbent products. And leading from the front is Skoda Auto India. It already stepped up its game in the compact SUV segment with the new Kushaq. But a big ace up its sleeve is a 5-star rating from the Global New Car Assessment Program. Unlike other 5-star rated cars in recent years, the Kushaq is the first made in India car to achieve this feat for both adult and child safety. You'd know of cars that have scored 5 stars for adult occupants, but none, we repeat none, have got a full 5 stars for child occupant safety. None until the Kushaq, that is. And that too under GNCAP's newer, more stringent protocols. Scoring 29.64 points out of a possible 34 for adult occupant safety and 42 points out of a possible 49 for child safety. You must be curious as to how Skoda achieved the perfect score. The piece de résistance is the MQB A0 iron platform it is based on. Developed specifically for India, the new platform forms the core of the car's crashworthiness, and contributing to this top-line rating are an array of active-passive safety features. To top it all off, like we said earlier, the SUV was tested under Global NCAP's updated but stringent crash test protocols. Frontal and side impact protection, electronic stability control, pedestrian protection, and side impact pole protection are all part of the new protocols for evaluating car safety. The SUV was tested at varying speeds for different assessments: 64 km per hour for the frontal offset barrier test, 50 km per hour for the side barrier test, 40 km per hour for pedestrian child head form to bonnet test, and 29 km per hour for pole side impact test. But the cherry on the top is Skoda's commitment to go over and beyond in offering unrivaled safety to its customers. Electronic stability control, pedestrian protection, side head protection systems, and seatbelt reminders are all available as standard across variants, and Global NCAP awarded them with extra points. However, Skoda's commitment to safety doesn't end here. Not only is the car completely safe for adults, the SUV is equally safe for children, as Skoda offers ISOFIX and top tether anchor points for child seats in the rear seats as a standard fitment. These seats are designed for newborns to 4-year-olds and are very simple to install. And that's not all. A slew of features such as rollover protection, hill hold control, electronic brake force distribution, tire pressure monitoring system, electronic differential lock system, and rear parking sensors with a camera are all part of standard equipment across variants. We must give it to Skoda for its commitment to the Indian market. More than 250 engineers work at its Pune Technology Center. And instead of bringing in an international product, the company developed a platform specific for India, yet ready for the world. A platform that focused on low cost of ownership, high value, and deep level of localization of up to 95%. The GNCAP tests have proven that Skoda has achieved all this without compromising on the safety or crashworthiness of its high value made for India lineup. And from what we hear, the safety standards set by the Skoda Kushaq are only the beginning of the company's new and reinforced strategy for India. But then we aren't surprised. After all, this is the company that has given us the Octavia, Superb, Kodiaq, and a massive line of products that have always done well in crash tests around the globe. That the Kushaq won a dual 5 stars, a vehicle which is developed and made for India on an India-specific platform and named after the Sanskrit word for emperor, just makes the deal sweeter for all of us.